Acorns Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my Acorns Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience, and you'll find links to Acorns in the description below. Acorns is primarily known as a micro-investing app, but it also includes basic budgeting features under its Acorns checking and smart deposit options. This app is designed for beginners who want to manage spending, automate saving, and invest small amounts without complicated financial planning tools. Acorns works by rounding up your purchases to the nearest dollar and investing the spare change into a diversified portfolio. At the same time, the Acorns checking account lets you track your spending, categorize transactions, and monitor your cash flow directly within the app. While Acorns isn't a full-featured budgeting app like YNAB or Mint, it's a great option for users who want a hands-off approach to saving and investing while keeping an eye on everyday expenses. You can set recurring deposits, create saving goals, and automate contributions based on your paycheck schedule. The app also provides spending summaries, showing how much you spend across categories like food, shopping, or entertainment. Acorns even includes a smart deposit feature, which allows you to automatically allocate a portion of your paycheck into investments, savings, and spending, essentially combining budgeting with investing automation. Acorns is best suited for young adults, beginners in personal finance, and people who struggle to save consistently. It's not ideal if you want detailed budget customization, cash flow projections, or advanced reporting. Instead, Acorns focuses on simplified money management, making it effortless to save and invest small amounts while tracking basic spending patterns. The app charges a monthly fee, so it's important to weigh whether the convenience and investing features justify the cost, especially for those with low balances. Overall, Acorns offers a unique blend of automated saving, investing, and spending tracking, perfect for users who want an all-in-one beginner-friendly tool. If you're looking for something advanced like debt payoff tracking or full envelope budgeting, Acorns won't be enough. But if your goal is to build better savings habits while keeping an eye on spending, Acorns delivers solid value. Check the description for links to Acorns and see if this hybrid budgeting investing tool fits your goals.